Hello, my name is Claude, and we're going to do a case study on Cipher. Cipher is a mining incorporated company, and this here is the put protection for 120 days. And so, depending on how the stock moves, it can go down to the floor, and you will be protected because you make money based on the stock decreasing in price. And so this put protection would cost you $345.65 one time. And then you would collect premium from your sell position depending on where you are in the wheel. So you will begin the wheel selling a put. You wouldn't own the stock, you would just get the premium from selling a put. And once it goes down to a certain point, you'll see here you get assigned the shares. And so if you have one contract that's 100 shares and you get assigned those shares, and you see there, you would have been assigned those shares here at $14.58. And then once those shares go up to $18.99 or $19.97, you make $577. And then it goes down again and you get assigned those shares at $14.58. Then it goes back up to around $18-20. You get those shares called away at that point, and it's a wheel strategy. So you would force yourself into a buy low, sell high situation. And you see here, this is the analytics that I use to find the stocks, and this right here is where I look at back testing what the wheel strategy would have did during a time period. And you can see here there are actions where the stock would have been called away, and there are actions where the stock you would have made $1,428. And here, this is where you can see current option plays based on where you are in the stock.